Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Netflix Party, Teleparty, watch together setup step by step clearly. To get started with Netflix Party, now known as Teleparty, ensure you have a Netflix account. Open your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit the Teleparty website by typing teleparty.com in the address bar. Click on the Install Teleparty button to download the extension. Follow the prompts to add Teleparty to your browser. Once installed, you will see the Teleparty icon in the upper right corner of your browser. Start playing a show or movie on Netflix that you want to watch with friends. Click on the Teleparty icon in your browser. Select Start the Party to create a viewing session. A unique link will be generated for your party. Share this link with your friends so they can join. Make sure your friends also have the Teleparty extension installed. Ask your friends to click on the link you shared. They will be directed to the Netflix page with the same show or movie you are watching. Once they join, you can start the party together. Enjoy the synchronized playback feature while chatting in the text chat section. Make sure everyone has a good internet connection for an uninterrupted viewing experience. You can pause or play the movie at the same time via the Teleparty interface. Feel free to discuss the content in real time using the chat feature. Enjoy watching together with your friends, even from a distance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.